Hello everyone and welcome to the IFA's Meet the Manager. My name is Maya and I'm the editor of the IFA. Today I am joined by Edwina Maloney, the Director of Platforms at AMP. Welcome Edwina.
Thanks Maya, great to be here.
So Edwina, you've been in this role as Director of Platforms at AMP for the past 6 months. What have been some of the highlights?
Oh, look, it's been a really exciting time for me to join a business that has such deep roots in helping, Australians save for their retirement needs. And look, it's a real privilege to lead such a diverse, high-performing team of people who are really focused on driving better outcomes for advisors and their clients. But the initiative I'm sort of most excited about, and we've delivered a lot in the last 6 months, is certainly the additions and the expansion we've made to our managed portfolio offer by adding listed securities and equities to the portfolios. Managed portfolios are going to play a really big part in the future for advisors.
Okay, so let's talk about managed portfolios a little bit more. The market's been growing exponentially over the past 5 years. Why do you think that is?
Look, managed portfolios are fantastic for advisors because they give them access to high quality, low cost and responsive investments that are delivered in a simple, kind of efficient and very transparent manner. In tough times like COVID, managed portfolios have really proved their worth. They've helped free up the time for advisors so they can invest time back into talking and working with their clients on their goals. So that's been a fantastic outcome for advisors.
Definitely. Apart from time management, do managed portfolios offer any other benefits?
Yeah, absolutely. There's plenty of upside for advisors. Look, they help reduce operating and investment risk for advisors because effectively they're outsourcing the investment management to professionals and trading desks like the one we have in North. They also help simplify the advice process because investment managers take responsibility for key steps like research and rebalancing the portfolios. They're a great way for advisors to leverage experts to help their clients achieve their goals. And they also offer a whole of wealth solution for client goals like retirement income, asset protection and accumulation. They're a very effective way as well for advisors to meet their best interest duties.
Can you elaborate on that one a little?
Sure. Many of our advisors are telling us how managed portfolios are such a big help for them. And actually that was supported by a recent investment trend survey where 9 out of 10 advisors said managed portfolios make it much easier for them to demonstrate client best interests. Advisors like that they help with tax and costs and that they're super responsive. And they love the expertise of the professional investment managers. Managed portfolios can also be really useful when you're trying to implement more specialised investment strategies like ESG or core satellite investing, where you need transparency and specialised skills. That's why we've recently added 2 new risk profiles to our sustainable managed portfolio series. And we've also introduced our Index Plus range, which combines index with active investing to provide a really a low cost responsive portfolio for our advisors. SQM recently actually rated both those portfolio ranges high investment grade and suitable for inclusion on APLs.
Edwina, why is the expertise of investment managers so crucial?
Yeah, it's a good question. You've actually got to take a little bit of time thinking about the time it takes to set up and manage an equities portfolio. It's really time consuming and every minute you're spent down in the nuts and bolts of trading is less time you spend with your clients. If you can outsource your equity portfolios to a professional manager, it frees you up to spend more time as a financial coach and mentor for your clients. There's a huge investment universe of equities out there and staying across that and staying well informed is a really difficult job for anyone. So why not leave it to the professionals? Investment managers and in-house trading teams like North have specialist expertise and knowledge to help manage equity portfolios. And in volatile markets like the ones we've encountered recently, it really helps taking the pressure of trading stocks away from advisors so they can focus on advice strategies without having to justify every buy and sell decision to their clients.
Edwina, what are some other approaches that managers use to incorporate equities and listed products into managed portfolios?
Yeah, it's a good question. Look, investment managers have a lot of different options when they're constructing a portfolio. They can have a combination of portfolios that use managed funds and ETFs, using the managed funds for core exposure and the ETFs to rebalance and reposition their portfolios. They can exclusively use ETFs to get exposure to a diverse range of asset classes that are liquid, transparent and low cost. And then for more complex arrangements, they can use diversified funds with a sleeve of equities alongside managed portfolios, or as you said, they can simply build a portfolio of equities utilising their knowledge of the markets.
Edwina, you mentioned your new range. Can you tell me what's on offer?
Sure. Look, we know the demand is there. The number of advisors using managed portfolios has doubled over the last 5 years to 44% of advisors. So we've expanded, and we're going to continue to expand our MyNorth range to equities and listed products with 23 new managed portfolios from 10 leading investment managers. They're diversified across styles and strategies from small to mid-cap to large-cap, income, property, infrastructure. I'm going to forget some ESG investing and ETFs. And there's our existing portfolio of diversified managed portfolios, plus our partner portfolios for advisors to choose from. The range now, I'm very proud to say, exceeds $4.4 billion in assets under management, which has more than doubled since May last year.
Oh, wow.
So we'll continue to expand our range this year. And all of that adds up to really what we think is a really compelling offer for advisors and gives them the confidence to do more of the things they love and spend more time with their clients and on their business. So advisors can call us. If they have any questions, we're always happy to have a chat.
Great, and definitely a very exciting year ahead for you. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks, Maya, for having me.
And thank you to our audience for tuning in to IFA's Meet the Manager. Catch us next time.